everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today I'm starting a series of doing some room decor for my daughter's room. And today we've just got a really quick and easy one. I'll be just giving these two pieces for her desk a little bit of a makeover. This one's just going to get a coat of spray paint, and this one we're going to do a bit of decoupage, I guess you'd call it. So basically sticking on some paper onto that. That's going to be her like little charging station in her room. So yeah, all you're basically going to need for this project is the paper of your choice for this little caddy. I like to use PVA wood glue. It says wood glue, but it's actually just an all-purpose glue. It's a PVA all-purpose glue. And this big 4-litre tub was only about $20 at Bunnings. I just find it's a lot more economical than buying the smaller bottles, especially the amount that I use with all my craft projects. So that's the wood glue, or the glue I'm going to be using. And then for this, I'm just going to be spray painting it. So this is the colour that I'll be using on the little jewelry stand. It's called Creation Blue, and it's, I don't know if it's coming off on camera quite right, but it's like a Tiffany box blue, and it's just a really pretty blue color. So we might actually start by spray painting that one first, that way it can be drying while we do the next one.
Streets are empty, the only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.
Okay, so while the little jewelry stand is drying, what we're going to do is cover this. And all I'm basically going to be doing is sticking the paper inside. So I'm not really one to do like exact measurements. It might be easier, but I just like to wing it most of the time. So I put my paper in and just crease it so I know where to cut it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Simon. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
So that's the two little pieces ready to go in on my daughter's desk to just finish off her desk a little bit. And yeah, I mean, very quick and easy, and it just brightens up the desk a bit from what they used to look like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll have a heap more videos coming up in this teen girl bedroom makeover series. It was a long title. Yeah, so I'm starting on my daughter's room now, and there'll be quite a few little DIY and wall decor and room decor videos coming up shortly. And this one's kicking it all off. So yeah, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.